What's going on, everybody? My name's Treyding here with Trading Stocks, and welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm going to be going over a brand new strategy with you guys. It's not exactly brand new to me. I've actually been trading this for a handful of months, but this will be the first time I've put it out there on YouTube. The people that come over and watch me on Twitch, by the way, come watch me on Twitch, link in the description, have already seen me trade this multiple times, make a handful of money trading this strategy. So we're going to quickly talk about the strategy, should take like a minute, and then I'm going to get into showing you a handful of live trades of me utilizing this strategy for profitability, just kind of as a little proof of concept and to allow you guys to see how it works in real time. So hopefully you're excited for this. If you are, hit the like button, really does help me, really helps the new channel. If you're new around here, hit the red subscribe button. With that being said, let's jump into the video. So a lot of you guys have probably heard of gap close reversals. Just please imagine that these bars are all the same size and straight and whatever. It's paint rectangles. Just imagine. You've probably heard of gap close reversal. So stock going up, 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 has a gap in the chart. When it comes back down, closes this gap. That's your entry point. You look for a reversal out of that gap, right? That's the gap close reversal strategy. So what I'm going to be teaching you today, what I'm going to be trading in this video today is that strategy except intraday. So really, now they're green. Okay, cool trade. So really a stock going up into a halt intraday. So if you don't know what a halt is, a volatility halt after market open, if a stock does more than 10% in under 2 minutes, it will automatically be volatility halted. During the first 5 minutes of the day, it's actually a little bit bigger than that. It's a little bit wider. I believe during the first 5 minutes, I probably should have looked this up before the video, but we can do another video covering halts in detail. But I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen halts. You know what halts are. You get the general consensus of halts. So the idea of this strategy, stock goes up, and the thing about it too, it needs to be a really, really hyped up stock. It needs to be a top gainer with a lot of volume behind it. How often do you see stocks with absolutely no volume all day all of a sudden rip into a halt, right? I am not looking for this strategy on those kind of trades because this strategy is going to really, really rely on people willing to chase the stock out of the halt, right? That's kind of the point of this strategy. So I really, really need a stock, probably a top gainer, so probably from the top gainers list in the morning to go with a lot of volume ripping into a halt. And once again, we're looking for the same strategy. So out of the halt, so this thing halts here. This is its halt level right here. We're going to call it, that was a great straight line. Here's its halt level right here. The halt level becomes the stop loss. And oftentimes out of halts, you will get open higher, right? So the open of the bar is here. What I am looking for the bar to then do is open, come down towards this gap, come down, close the gap, get close to the gap. That's where my entrance is. And then I'm selling any pop to the upside out of it. So pretend this is a lot. I know it's paint. Don't worry. You're going to see real life chart examples in just a second. But pretend, the bar opens up here. The bar opens a little bit higher, pulls back. I'm long here with the stop loss below this line. So if it comes down here, you eat your loss and you get the hell out of the way. Because with this strategy, you are going to be trading extreme volatility. So if you lack discipline at all, if you ever find yourself struggling, oh man, I'm holding my stocks a little bit too long. I'm holding my stocks below stop loss. If you're still struggling with that part of your trading, please do not try this strategy, because if you hold these stocks down below your stop loss, you can really, really, really hurt yourself. You need to be getting the hell out of these stocks if they turn down on you, because they're going to be extremely volatile. They really are. This is a little bit more of an advanced strategy you might want to implement into your trading style. I'm not going to lie to you. So if you do still struggle with discipline, I'd rather just be straightforward and tell you than lie to you and blow smoke and have you lose a bunch of money. If you still struggle with discipline, still struggle with sticking to your stop loss, you probably want to wait till you grow and mature a little bit more as a trader before you take this strategy on. But anyway, so I'm looking to buy here and I'm looking for the stock to bounce. And for me, this strategy is a quick scalp strategy. It's see profit, take profit. Once again, because of the extreme volatility we're dealing with. So as soon as this thing, I'm in these stocks for usually less than 5 seconds. As soon as I get any kind of bounce, I make 15, 20 bucks, bang. I want to be out of that trade. I want to get out of the way. That's it. That's the strategy. Hopefully you guys understand. If you have any questions, just throw them in the comment section. But if you are confused about this little shady paint operation I have going on, hopefully these couple of real trades here are going to show you some better examples. So let's go ahead and get into the actual trades right now. Hey guys, I just want to throw in one more thing quickly. While I was editing this video, I noticed that I didn't say this, but while you are looking for stocks to halt, maybe you don't have a whole lot of time to trade. Maybe you are at work, you trade from work. You can have this halt scanner up. This is a free site from the NASDAQ that shows you the stocks that are halted on the day. Obviously, FCUV has been halted a lot today, but it'll show you the stocks that are halted. So you can have this website up. It'll show you what stocks are halted. You can flip over to that stock, and then coming out of the halt, so after 5 minutes after a stock gets volatility halted, it usually reopens. If not 5 minutes after, then after that you look for 5-minute increments. So if it doesn't open after 5, you look at 10, you look at 15, you look at 20, etc. But most of the time, 5 minutes after a stock halts, it reopens. So you have this open, it refreshes itself like it just did. You see a stock get halted, you pull it up, you buy the stock as it dips out of a halt, it opens higher, it dips, you long, it goes up, you sell, bang, bang, bang. You don't have to put a whole lot of time studying, staring at charts all day. This is a strategy that can make you money very, very easily and very, very quickly without a whole lot of effort. So I just want to throw that in. This will be linked in the description if you want to bookmark this website. So if you want to try to at least study this strategy, maybe even use it a little bit in the future. So now let's get into the actual trades. All right, chat, there's 20 seconds until this stock opens. Remember, gap close reversal strategy. Hopefully this thing opens higher. I'd love to see it open around 980, 970. Stop loss is 946. Let's go and get the rest of these lines off so it's not confusing. Stop loss is 946. Stop loss is below the current gap level, current halt level. So here we go. Oh, I didn't get filled. No fill, 964. 955, I'm in. 980, I'm out. Nice. Nice. So I didn't get filled on the first pullback. And then I ended up just waiting, being patient. I actually got a little bit of a better price. Remember, I don't care if this thing keeps going. It's fine. This strategy for me is see profit, take profit, right? This thing can go run into another halt, run to 11, run to 12. It'll be fine. This strategy is very see profit, take profit for me. So I trade it once again. Just like the video I made the other day, trade your edge. My back-tested edge, what I've currently back-tested, is to take profits right away. See profit, take profit, get out of the stock. Because you very often see these halt stocks make the big move up and then rip down on your face. So that's why that's my strategy. And once again, who cares? Guess what? It's up another point. I'd be up another $50 if I was still in this trade. Oh well, though. I traded my edge, and it's fine. It's going to halt again. It's got to be close to halting again. It does have to be close to halting again here. There it is. We can look for the halt strategy again. We can look for the halt strategy again right here. Diamond hands or broke hands. Yep. Remember, one of my favorite sayings, better to sell too early than to sell too late. I would rather lock in $12 of profit than have this stock do that move and then rip down in my face and I lose like $12, which happens, once again, happens a lot on these halt stocks. This was not one of those instances, but you got to trade your edge. You can't worry about what the stock does after you get out of it. FCUV just unhalted, but once again, this stock is not a hype stock. Really light volume out of open, so I'm not looking for the strat there. Here we go. Now, 11, long 1130. I'm just getting out. I'm not happy with that trade. I messed that one up. That one popped, and I didn't like the way it wasn't getting in going. It didn't look strong to me, so I just got out. I didn't like the way. Am I that upset with that trade? I'm trying. Listen. What I can tell I'm doing internally right now. I'm trying not to hindsight, because if you guys just noticed when that popped to 1180, I went, oh, I'm not happy. And then when it started dropping, I went, well, maybe I am happy. You know what I mean? I'm trying to keep the hindsight out of my mind. Look, down halted now. By the way, hey, if you were asking, wow, Trey, I can't believe you took profits so fast here. This is why. This is why it's see profit, take profit, chat. Buying stocks out of halts is scary as shit. It's not like a fun, oh, I'm gonna buy and hold and yay, it's gonna continue. Like, this happens. This happens often. Well, okay, often. This does happen a lot. So when this thing was like stuttering, when it wasn't just going, when it wasn't just showing immediate strength, I just got out. We made, I mean, what did we make? Like a penny. So we actually did lock in a little bit of profits there. But then it did pop a little bit higher before the flush. But I kind of time frame these trades too, right? If it takes, like if I get in a trade and like after 5, 6, 7 seconds, it's not popping, I'm just like, okay. I can tell it's not doing the gap close immediate pop strat. So I just want to get out. So could have been better. I could have been exiting up at 11.7, 11.8. Could have been way, 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 way worse. I could be down a point and stuck in a down halt. So yeah. Could have been a little bit better. Could have been way worse. I think with wording it that way in my head, I think I'm happy with the way I exited. Just noticing it was a little slow out of open, just getting the hell out of the way, right? Just getting the hell out of the way. So there you go. There's an example. Everybody in that last clip was probably like, "Well, Trey, you dumbass, you should have held." Hey, here's why you don't hold. Here's a perfect example of why you do not buy and hold and hope for the big pop, right? Take your damn money. You're buying a stock out of a halt. It's extremely volatile. You are playing the peak of volatility when you're playing this strategy. So if it gives you money, just take it, man. Just get out of the way because yeah. The high. Okay, SONN reopened. Stop loss is 173. Long 176. I want to fuck something. That was so awesome. Okay, good trade. I don't know why that was my reaction. I'm sorry. I apologize, but that was cool. I don't know why that was the first thing that came to my head, but that was fun.